Recently, CRC sent me some of their new Weld-Aid product to give it a try, but since we're not doing a lot of welding around the shop, I decided to take this next door to the welding and fab shop and put it in the hands of some welders that weld all day, every day, and see what kind of results they get from it. The Weld-Aid Nozzle-Kleen number 3, it helps reduce spatter buildup on welding nozzles, tips, and diffusers, helping to avoid blockages, uneven gas flow, and even costly equipment damage. It helps create a protective barrier that keeps your welding components clean, helping to speed up production time while ensuring high quality welds. The Weld-Aid Weld-Kleen HD2 is specifically designed to prevent molten metal BBs from sticking to your workpieces, fixtures, nozzles, tools, or any of the surrounding work surfaces. This leads to an effortless cleanup, minimizing time spent grinding, chiseling, or cleaning off the spatter. We hope that you check out CRC's new Weld-Aid products along with many of their other great industrial products that we use daily around the shop.